Hello guys, I am Karishma and today presentation on technology in retail.
Let's start the video with the goal of technology in retail. The goal of technology in retail is to develop technological device which help a retailer to maintaining a best quality of product according to the customer preference in a minimum time. According to the new era, we know that retail firms are using information technology which help them to minimize the wastage of resources and also maximize the customer satisfaction. Today we are using lots of technology in our retail firm. So we know about the technology one by one. Now start with first technology. The barcode scanner. In the picture we see the barcode and how the barcode scan. A barcode scanner is an electronic device for reading printed barcode. A barcode system helps a retailer to get up-to-date information regarding to their product and also to generating a total bill for a client. Next technology is tunnel scanner. In this picture we get how a retailer to maintain a tunnel scanner. Tunnel scanning is a new concept where a customer one by one keep the full shopping item on a moving belt through an electronic gate to the point of sale. The third technique is customer database. The database is a collection of record which is maintained by the retailer in their shop. According to the picture, we see how a retailer maintain their products according to the customer preference. The customer database are very useful to the marketer to maintaining a planning promotion for a new product, repeat sales or cross-selling techniques. The next technology is magic mirror. In this picture, a lady stand in front of a big screen like a mirror, but it is not actually a mirror. It is a super-sized computer screen that can be operated by the gesture or touch, which help a people to see how they will look with an outfit or before trying it on. Magic mirror has an advantage. It reduces the wastage of time and also it is a realistic approach. And the next technology is planograms. In this picture, we see a rectangular sheet where the products are placed. A planogram is a visual diagram or a diagram that provides a retailer with a great amount of details. Potential to use every square foot of the space is visual appeal, inventory control, product positioning. Now the next technology is mobile technology. Now we are using mobile for shopping. After arriving of mobile technology, we are purchase lots of products through the mobile. The right way of using mobile technology is to scanning a QR code which is available in our product. The retailer use this technology to providing a QR code discount to their customer, because the mobile technology is a lot cheaper than say a smart shopping cart. The next technology is customer relationship management. In short, RM in retail technology. CRM is concerned with the creation, development and enhancement of individualized customer relationship with carefully targeting customer and customer group, resulting in maximizing their total customer relation time value. Now the next technology is point of sale, POS. The POS refers to the physical location at which goods are sold to customer. It provides up to the date information on sales of different brands, size, colors, style, price, etc. Thank you for watching, guys.